Hi, I'm Mark, an English teacher from Discover English, and we're here with another 1-minute pronunciation video. Our two sounds today are S as in silly, missing and campus, and Z as in zebra, busy and watches. These two sounds are made in nearly exactly the same way, with the tip of the tongue against the gum line, just behind the teeth, and pushing air through the gap between your teeth. Is one of the most common sounds occurring in most languages throughout the world. It is the beginning sound in words like song, spud, and sound. It sounds like a snake hissing and can be made long. Z is a less common sound and is found at the beginning of the words zoo, zealous, and zipper. It reminds us of the sound that an insect makes. Zzz. These two sounds are easy to use, but it can be difficult to know when to use one over the other. Like most English pronunciation, the spelling doesn't necessarily help you to make a guess. Let's look at some examples. Fussy, fuzzy. Race, raise. Place, plays. Hiss, his. Course, cause. And even two words with the same spelling can be pronounced differently depending on what kind of word they are. The noun abuse is s. The verb form of the same word is abuse. Z. The adjective close is s. And the verb is close. Z. That's all for today. Let's see you next time for another zippy, zingy and stimulating pronunciation lesson.